What's up, YouTube? Got another Minnesota Lottery scratcher. This one is a $20 scratcher. It says loaded with $50,000 prizes. This one is called 13 million cash explosion. Game number 4. Odds of winning are 1 in 3.02. Let's get started. 2 games here. Top game. Reveal that symbol to win bonus spot prize shown. It's not that. Bottom game. Match any of my numbers to winning numbers, win that prize. Reveal money back to win $100 instantly. Reveal 5 times to win 5 times that prize. Start with my numbers: 33, 39, 6, 14, 61. 61, that's a high number. 43, 37, 64, 63, 27, 36, 46, 41, 47, 11, 16, 10. So far, no matching numbers or symbols. 4, 21, 32, 31, 19, 68, 24, 70. Wow, 70. There's 36 chances to win here, guys. So hopefully out of all numbers, at least one of them matches. No symbols. So we gotta find a match. 2. I don't think we have a 2. There's no 2. 8. No 8. We need double numbers. 1. There goes again with the single numbers. No 1. 26. There's no 26 here. 3. There's no 3. 7. There's no 7, guys. Last one. 20. This one is a loser, guys. This one wasn't, I didn't really enjoy this one that much. But thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.